Hello friends, we have already discussed all 11 formulas of this chapter 8 trigonometry. We have solved exercise number 1.8.1 as well as 8.2. The 8.2, it consists of the first formula. 8.2, it consists of the value of the trigonometric functions for different value of theta, that is 0, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 and 90 degree. Now here we are going to use formula number 10, that is sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Well, so this is exercise number 8.3. Let me solve example number 1. Evaluate sin 18 upon cos 72. So either you can convert the numerator or denominator. You can convert sin into cos or you can convert cos into sin. So let me take sin 18 as it is. So convert cos 72 into sin. So you know cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Therefore cos 72 is equal to sin 90 minus 72. So 90 minus 72, again you get 18. So here numerator is sin 18, denominator is sin 18 and your answer is 1. Very simple. So either you can convert numerator or denominator. Here numerator is sin, denominator is cos. So we have convert cos into sin. So numerator and denominator, they are same. You can cancel it. So your final answer is 1. Same way, same concept you have to use in second example. Tan 26 upon cot 64. Let me change denominator, that is cot into tan. You know formula. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So tan 26 upon cot means tan 90 minus 64. So tan 26 upon 26, again you get 1. So this is the procedure to evaluate the example. Either you can convert numerator or into denominator by using formula number 10. Let me solve for example. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Wow, very nice example. Here let me take cos 48 as it is. Now convert this sin 42 into cos. So sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus 42. Again 90 minus 42 you get 48. So cos 48 minus cos 48 you get 0. Similarly, cosec 31 minus sec 59. Cosec 31 as it is. Now convert sec theta into cosec theta. You know formula. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. So sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. So cosec 31 minus cosec 90 minus 59. Cosec 31 minus cosec 90 minus 51, again it is 31. So cosec 31 minus cosec 31 is equal to 0. Now question number 2 of exercise number 8.3. So that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. So first of all, you know tan 48 and tan 42. If you add 48 and 42, you get 90. So you can prepare a pair of tan 48 and tan 42. Similarly, if you add 27 and 67, again you get 100. So you can prepare a pair of tan 48 42, tan 23 and tan 67. Now you can use same concept in this pair. You can convert either tan 48 or tan 42. So tan 42 as it is. Let me convert tan 48 means tan theta means cot 90 minus theta. Tan 23 means cot 90 minus 23 and tan 67 as it is. So cot 90 minus 48, again you get 42. So cot 42 into tan 42 into cot 67 into tan 67. Now you know the formula set number 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and that's why tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Recall the set number 3. Tan and cot are inverse of each other. So you can write tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So these examples are nothing but the different use of different formulas. Along with formula number 11, I have used formula number 3, that is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, or you can say cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1 to solve this example. Similarly, second example, cos 38, cos 42 minus sin 38, sin 52 is equal to 0. Let me take LHS. Cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52. Let me take cos 38 as it is. Cos 52 you can convert into sin. So is sin 90 minus 52. Similarly, minus sin 38 into cos 90 minus 52. So here cos 38, here you get sin 38 minus sin 38, here you get cos 38. You know both are same. Cos 38 sin 38, cos 38 sin 38, and that's why x minus x is equal to 0. So your value is 0. Now let me start the third example on the basis of the same formula number 10. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Then find the value of a. Very nice example. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Find the value of a. What is given to you? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now either you can convert this tan into cot or cot into tan. But cot a minus 18, some complicated thing is there, and that's why let me convert tan 2a into cot. So tan 2a means cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now we have given one formula, that is cot alpha is equal to cot theta. Therefore you can say alpha is equal to theta. So you can use this concept here, cot alpha is equal to cot theta. Therefore you can say alpha is equal to theta. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. So a plus 2a means 3a is equal to 108. So a is equal to 108 by 3. So a is equal to 36. So the value of a is equal to 36. Very important example. For your 10th standard examination, very important example. Now question number 4. Tan a is equal to cot b. Prove that a plus b is equal to 90. Again, very important example for your example point of view. Tan a is equal to cot b. You can convert either this tan or cot. Let me convert tan a. So tan a means cot 90 minus a is equal to cot b. Again use this formula. cot alpha is equal to cot theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to theta. Therefore, 90 minus A is equal to B. So, if you export A from left hand side to right hand side, you get 90 is equal to A plus B. Here you have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90. So, you can write A plus B is equal to 90. Now, question number 5. It is also on the basis of the same concept. Example number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20. Find the value of A. So, let me convert sec into cosec. So, sec 4A is equal to cosec 90 minus 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20. Again, use this formula. Cosec alpha is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, alpha is equal to theta. Therefore, 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20. So, 90 plus 20 is equal to A plus 4A. So, phi A is equal to 110. So, A is equal to 110 upon 5. So, A is equal to 22. So, in this exercise 8.3, we have used formula set number 10 as well as formula number 3, 4 and 5. So, in 8.1 we have used first formula. In 8.2 you have used a formula number 11. In this exercise we have used formula number 10. Only 7 examples are there in this exercise 8.3. I have already solved 4 example of question number 1, 2 example of question number 2, as well as I have also solved example number 3, 4 and 5. Now, question number 6 and question number 7 is homework for you. It is also on the basis of same concept, that is either you have to convert sine into cos or cos into sine, tan into cot or cot into tan, sec into cosec or cosec into tan, and you will find the final answer. So I have solved 5 examples. Question 6 and question 7 is homework for you. So in next period we will start exercise number 8.4 of this chapter 8, that is trigonometry. Thank you friends. Thank you.